Hi again, that's Dimitri with some complex grammar drills. Well, believe it or not, this is not advanced English. This is more about B1, let's say. And I want to introduce those phrases for you guys because I more and more I see students with troubles, okay? And let's just break it down to you, make it as simple as possible. So, unless. We have unless, as long as, provided, providing, and so on. Okay, so unless, that means except if. We're going home now unless it's pouring. So except if it's pouring. If not, you can also say. So let's meet tomorrow unless you have an important appointment. That's unless. The rest of the phrases, as long as, so long as, sometimes you can see, but this is rare. Provided that, providing that, they all mean one thing. They all mean if, or in other words, on condition that. It's easy to remember, if. So let's say, yeah, I can buy you a pack of cigarettes as long as you are 18, or if you're of legal age, as long as you're of legal age, or provided that something like we can afford a new car, provided that you earn more money, for example. And please note that we can drop that, so they are in brackets. We can always omit that, so it's not necessary. Provided that, or just providing that, or simply providing. Let's check out some examples here. We can meet tomorrow unless you're busy, except if you're busy. I think I can lend you some money provided you give it back to me by the next month, or if you give it back to me, or as long as you give it back to me. So long as, that's rare again, I never use it. Provided that, providing that. And please do not confuse with a phrase like as soon as. As soon as is used for the future. It's never used for our use, like if. No, as soon as I get home, I'll call you. That's not the same thing here. So do not confuse as long as with as soon as, okay? Right, and as I haven't asked you this time, please subscribe to the channel. It's full of useful information. I'm good at small talking, so please subscribe to this channel if you want more small talk, more grammar drills, more pronunciation drills, more slang, etc. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.